The lush forest bursts with life, teeming with vibrant colors and the mysterious calls of unseen creatures. An on-screen text appears: nature's hidden dangers. Macro shots reveal the beauty and peril of a brightly colored frog, a glistening berry, and a flower with an alluring scent. The narrator says, "Nature holds many wonders, but also hidden dangers. Let's explore the world of poisonous fruits and animals." The camera slowly zooms in on a specific plant, preparing for the transition to the next scene. In a brightly lit laboratory, a scientist meticulously examines fruits, revealing their hidden dangers. Animated graphics reveal the molecular structure of deadly toxins, such as phorbol and manchineel and hypoglycin and ackee. The scientist explains, through vivid animations, how these toxins wreak havoc on the human body. A split screen contrasts the innocent appearance of the fruits with the devastating impact they have on human health. The vibrant colors of a poison dart frog captivate, concealing deadly toxins. The unique features of a pufferfish come into focus, revealing its hidden dangers. On-screen text warns, "Handling these animals is extremely dangerous. Observe them from a safe distance." An animation vividly illustrates the intricate mechanism of nerve signal blockage by potent toxins. The vibrant forest teems with life, showcasing the ecological roles of its poisonous inhabitants. Certain animals exhibit immunity to particular toxins, maintaining the delicate equilibrium of nature. Words appear on screen: toxins as defense mechanisms and balance in nature. Understanding and respecting poisonous species is crucial, both for our safety and for the health of the environment.